Mainline high flow variance detected. The message reads, Mainline high flow variance detected, January 1st, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. Priority low. Mainline equals 1. Zones equal 13, 17, 39. Variance threshold versus actual equals 20 versus 27.1. Expected versus actual flow equals 82 versus 104.2. Zones are not shut down. What happens now? The controller expected a combined total of 80 GPM from all three valves that were running, but the actual flow was 104.2 GPM. The controller couldn't shut down any zones. This is an alert only. On this site, zones 13, 17, and 19 are in Mainline 1. Mainline 2 is not affected. A common cause for mainline high flow variance could be a broken mainline. It could also be a zone valve on Mainline 1 that's stuck open and creating a high flow situation. It might be that the flow variance limit is set too low, or the flow variance shutdown feature is disabled. Looking at the message again, we see that zones 13, 17, and 39 are the suspects. Notice that the variance threshold is measured as a percentage. The controller was allowing 20% variance, but actually saw a 27.1% variance. The expected and actual flows are measured in gallons per minute. The controller expected 82 GPM from zones 13, 17, and 39 combined, when in fact it saw 104.2 GPM. Troubleshooting a mainline flow variance starts with checking the mainline for breaks. Then examine the zones that were running during the high flow event, in this case 13, 17, and 39. Look for problems that could cause high flow, such as a stuck zone valve, broken laterals, or broken heads. You can adjust the flow variance limit on the Flow Setup tab under Mainlines. At Flow Management, I have a 20% variance, which is a good starting point. You may find that Advanced Flow Variance works better for you. This allows you to set different percentages for various expected flow ranges. For example, when the controller expects 25 GPM of combined zones, I've set a 30% variance. When the controller expects the combined total of 300 GPM from zones, I can set a tighter variance of just 5%. Lastly, consider allowing the controller to shut down on high flow variance so there's both a message and a shutdown if the limit is exceeded. This also gives the controller the ability to isolate and shut down that high flow zone, lessening your search.